Welcome to the Using the Sutherland College online learning environment. We're going to go through a step-by-step tutorial of how to add content into your specific curriculum areas. When you come onto the Sutherland Business and Enterprise College learning environment, you will see a screen similar to the one that we've got in front of us now. If I'm accessing this from a school computer, you will see at the moment I'm logged in as Carey.Rebecca. As long as I'm on as a user on a network, I will automatically be recognised when I come into Sharepoint. However, if I'm at home, I will need to type in https://sutherlandcollege.tor.org.uk. I will then be prompted for my username and password. That would be the same username and password that I would use to log on to any school machine. What we're going to be looking at today is adding content through the curriculum. So you'll want to click on to curriculum. Now we're going to be creating new sites within each of the curriculum areas that you work in. You'll see on the screen in front of you, I've circled English, and if you look at the little box up from it, you'll see faculty name, year 7 to 11, and each one of those has 6 modules. Now don't worry, that's in as a template for you at the moment. You might want to rename those modules with more specific unit titles. And if you split your curriculum differently, in that maybe you have Key Stage 3, Key Stage 4 or Key Stage 3 and GCSE, you can change any of those titles and those headings. They're just there as a guide at the moment. Now the best way of thinking about how this environment looks is that if you take a unit of work, it's going to sit in a brand new site, almost like a website. So you'll only ever be worrying about keeping content in one specific place for one group of students. You'll see as we go on what I mean. If you click onto new site, what you'll see is if you scroll down, I've put a Sutherland template in to help you here. There's not much content in it, and that's quite deliberate in that you'll want to think about how you want to use each individual site. Very importantly, when you click on Sutherland template, it will ask you for a name and a URL for that site. It's really important that you think about a standardised way of putting together your whole curriculum area, and in fact the whole school. For example, if we take ICT, we've got ICT_ Year 8 Module 2 Games Design, and we've repeated the same down in the URL name. Now logically, our next unit would be ICT_ Year 8 Module 3, and then the unit title, ICT_ Unit 9, Year 9 Module 1, and whatever the title would be. So it's worth giving some thought while you're with your curriculum area about how you want to set up a very logical mechanism for naming each of your units.